Good afternoon, guys. Here's my first edition of what I call it's a red flag kapag. And I'm referring to those people na pa-fall ang way of thinking and way of expressing themselves. Usually these are the people that are very manipulative and at the same time narcissistic. Just hear this out so that you would know what to do if you experience those kinds of people. According to Google, Pafol refers to someone who gives the impression of being interested to you but romantically, but that doesn't really actually have feelings or intentions. So there are three kinds for me, no? For example, yung mga pa-fall ay may mga intention na maging dominating lang when it comes to relationship. Yung tipong magiging super extra sweet sila sa'yo, tapos, bobolahin ka, they'll make you feel that they're really interested, and once you get into that trap, they will start to back off and then make you feel like, no, we're just friends. I'm just being nice. Kasi nakuha na nila yung gusto nila at yun ay yung ma-fall ka dun sa trap na gustong gusto nila. Yung second naman is yung mga pa-fall na may intention to use you financially. Yung tipong kakaibiganin ka, yung tipong ililibre ka sa umpisa, and then as you go on with your friendship, doon sisimulan ka ng utangan, magkakaroon na siya ng problema, and then of course, pag hulog na yung loob mo, syempre, you will give in, di ba? And of course, yung pangatlo naman is yung pa-fall just to gain sexual satisfaction. For example, yung mga taong ang hilig mambola, tapos pag nakuha na yung gusto, pag binigay mo na at sinuko mo na yung bataan whatsoever, there wala na. Ikaw ngayon ay nahulog na sa trap at binigay mo na, and then all of a sudden, nagsisimula na yung mga problems, nagdadahilan na ng walang time. And then of course, yung feelings nila sa'yo hindi na katulad dati. And these people talaga, they feel so great about it kasi nakuha nila yung gusto nila, yung hindi lang to sa lalaki nangyayari, may mga babae rin ganito. So just be careful and see the red flags. So number one red flag is yung too good to be true na sweetness. Yung mga super sweet na parang hindi na nila iniisip yung sarili nila, and they don't care about the people around them and the environment, their situation, and they make you feel that they're so into you. Do not believe those kind of people, because if it's too good to be true, think twice. Okay? So that, alam mo na, hindi ka rin magkaroon ng cold summer nights. So as I end this vlog,